slide, go to present mode. So your escape room will look real slick. So here's what we're going to do. So we've got a slide up here from the core instruction strategies. And what I'm going to do is just show you how you're going to make this as a present mode so it looks really slick. And this is what you want to definitely do for your main escape room and all of the slides that go with it for the Google Slides. Another thing I wanted to point out, I added return to the escape room as a link here. So when you're in this particular slide, you can click on it, will take you back to the escape room. But the point of this message is to show you how to make this in present mode so it's super slick. Very easy to do. You're going to go to share. And you want to make sure that anyone with the link can be a viewer, and then you're going to copy your link. That easy. Okay. Now, what I want you to take a good look at is the top of this, because I'm going to show you what you're going to get rid of. So notice at the top where it says edit, we're going to highlight this piece, edit through sharing, that little piece right there. I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to type in the word present. It's going to do it for me, but I'll do it. And then I'm going to hit enter. And now this is the slide link that I want to copy and paste into my escape room. So it will take the kids directly to this slick looking slide versus having to make a copy of it or something else. So anyway, it's as easy as that. You get rid of the words at edit starting at the hash mark, and then you just type in the words present. That's it. Thanks.